Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to export to PDF in Asana. This is very simple, just follow my steps. Scroll down until you see your project section and open the project that you want to save to PDF. Now navigate to the project name and click on this Actions drop-down menu until you see Sync/Export. Now, from this menu you can simply select Print, and here you should see Save as PDF in the destination, so click on Save as PDF. Here choose how many pages, if all or customized. Choose your layout if you want it portrait or landscape. And now here you have more settings as paper size, pages per sheet, margins, etc. So choose whichever you like and then press Save. Now name your project PDF and press Save again. Now this will save it to your downloads natively if you didn't select a different folder. So you should find it right in your downloads folder if you want. So thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.